Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I'm going to give you pro tips on how to get the most out of your tretinoin. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, I am going to give you pro tips on how to get the most out of this skincare product. So tip number one is to start slow and steady. First of all, you cleanse your face, allow your face to thoroughly dry. You want to make sure you apply just a pea size, no more than that. If you're all new to this, do not use it every single night. Use it sparingly, use it every other night. You can even start by using it 2 nights a week. You see how your skin tolerates it, then you increase the application. How do you know it's irritating you? Your skin feels very sensitized, it feels very tender to touch, it's really flaking. Then you have to really space out the usage. So you have to start using it just 2 times a week or even once a week. And then the best way to also minimize irritation is by using the sandwich method. I'll be sure to link a video on sandwich method in the description box below. Tip number 2 is to moisturize your skin. Moisturize. Tretinoin is known to be very dry, so make sure you moisturize, and then look for moisturizers that are rich in ceramides. Ceramides help to lock in moisture into the skin. Look for hydrating moisturizers. These are the moisturizers that are most suitable for tretinoin users because it will help to lock in moisture and then prevent the skin from drying out. So tip number 3 is to protect your skin from the sun. Tretinoin makes the skin further sensitive to the sun, so you'll be more prone to hyperpigmentation amongst other detrimental effects from harmful rays of the sun. Yes, you use tretinoin at nighttime, but in the daytime, ensure you protect your skin with broad spectrum SPF minimum of 30, and use this really well. Don't use it, make sure you are generous with your usage. Even on cloudy days, ensure you wear your broad spectrum SPF. Tip number 4, avoid harsh and exfoliating products. So when using tretinoin, steer clear of harsh products such as physical exfoliant. This is because tretinoin, first of all, is already exfoliating. When you use it alongside other harsh products, you're going to end up ruining your skin barrier and causing more problems to yourself. Instead, use gentle cleansers and avoid abrasive products when using your tretinoin. Tip number 5, patience is key. I remember when I started using tretinoin, in fact, my skin was at its worst. My skin was a hot mess. To be honest, I don't remember how long it took before everything stabilized. So you need to be very patient. Sometimes it could take weeks for you to see improvements, or even months. But once you start, consistency is key. And then the final tip is to consult a dermatologist. Tretinoin is prescription based. It's not something you can just pick up. I know there's some places you can get them without prescription, but in most places I know, for example in the UK here, tretinoin is prescription based. So it's something that you want to consult a dermatologist because it is very harsh, and then because also there are different strengths, so you need to consult a dermatologist to know what to start off with. Then the dermatologist watches the improvement. The dermatologist can up the strength as time goes by. And so here you have it, guys. These are the tips to help you navigate the tretinoin journey. And once again, do not forget to moisturize. Use your SPF religiously. Avoid harsh products when using your tretinoin. Consult your doctor. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you've got any questions, be sure to drop them, and I'll also link the tretinoin I use in the description box below. So if you're interested, do check it out. And with all that being said, I will catch you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.